I just shot two images to emphasize the importance of background and also to let you know about the color theory. The first image was shot with sky as a background. Now theory says that whenever you have a bright background, you have to give positive compensation. Pause the video and look at the EXIF. For the second image, I changed my position and this time I chose a dark green background. Again theory says that when the background is darker, you have to give negative compensation. Now look at these both images side by side and you will appreciate that image B looks much more vibrant, it has more color depth and overall is more pleasing in appearance. Now what happens? When you give a positive compensation, you are adding white to an existing colors. And when you add white, you are actually making that particular color pale or desaturated. On the contrary, when you give a negative compensation, you are adding black. And when you add black to any color, it becomes saturated. I think you got the point. Keep exploring.